गिली भी आ गए हैं और सोनीपत स्पार्टन्स की टीम जिसने पाता हूं मेरे साथी नवीन का
Platform who's understood my strategy is Ankit Rana, because he's the first man to tell me that Naveen, mere bhai, I know when you say that the ankle holder, SK Raja Muthupandi starts off, and the Tuskers are up and away, and so are the Sonipat Spartans. Bonus +1. Oh my God, Navneet. And it is definitely going to be a finals before the finals. And he's the only player to tell me that when the referees जब गुल मिलकर और है भाई
2 or die.
जी हाँ, करो और मरो की स्थिति यहाँ पर कोच साहब भी दिखाई दे रहे हैं, बहुत ही शांत, बहुत ही सक्षम है वहां। और ये कूदा है हरीश कामाची ने। ये तो ऐसा बचपन में हम गेम खेलते थे कि एक जो
नंबर
बच्चा रहता था वो झुकता था और उसके ऊपर से वो जंप लेते थे। प्रियांक ने ऐसा लगा कि एक रास्ता दिया। देखिए इतना ज्यादा कौन झुकता है।
Yeah, I think even the attack was very. Priyank Chandel, he came in from outside the balk line, tried to get it, not there. Harsh Kumar, giant tackle, Saktivel Tangavelu and Kesavan Raja. Well, the Tuskers are fired up.
1 point.
How big a difference? How big a difference? उसके साथ साथ पाँव पकड़ने के लिए गौतम मुरुगन भी आ गए और ऑल आउट. Now data tick बहुत अच्छी हिंदी की शब्द आपने प्रयोग की. Let's see if I can remember that, as this is a do or die raid, Navneet.
जी हाँ, डू और डाई रेड शक्तिवेल थंगवेलू वो तो
oh my God,
यहाँ पर अंकित कुमार राणा थे।
First time the covers also come into good shape. Shekhar Sankar alongside with Gautam Murugan. It doesn't go back in time. Ankit Rana very clearly hearing our commentary, hearing our storytelling, Navneet, and then realizing that अरे हाँ यार नहीं करनी है क्योंकि और देखिए chain tackle again, low chain tackle. Well, Navneet, I'll tell you what, Ilan Tendril Ilan Chelian hasn't
2 or die.
Oh, इस 2 order के बाद सुनाइए. Yes,
बिल्कुल हरीश कामाची आए हैं यहाँ।
Oh, he's trying to show off that he can jump over. That is the problem. That exactly was the problem. Aman Later's is
1 point. Sonipat
first tackle point. Because on the previous occasion, बिल्कुल जैसे इलवरसन का काम होता है राजा के बाद प्रजा को संभालना, यही हुआ वहां पर हर्ष के द्वारा भी. Now Gautam Murugan has not committed an error. Oh, look at that surprise tackle. Ilan Tendril, Ilan Chelian. Not even a single raid today. Just one empty raid and another tackle point. Oh my God. The hand. Wonderful. Nehle pe dehla. Correct? Oh, again. Ravindra Nara Saab actually said,
number 10 out.
just hold on. Mention to Ankit Rana on SK Raja on the earlier way. Akash Deshwal has come in. He's not done too much damage. Again that low chain tackle. How many times have we seen this? Navneet,
1 point.
third time. And I really want to see Saktivel, Akshay Hari and Aman Later both are waiting there. Does not go there. 3 times the chain tackles. Low. See how low they go. And look at the support from Gautam Murugan coming in. Every time there. How low. You can't even get a dubki under there. Even if you are in Haridwar. जहां पर गंगा के अंदर आप डुबकी लगाते हो वहां भी मुश्किल है.
यकीनी तौर पे.
But I'll tell you what, with Mohit Chiller, because I just don't know him now. I know him even before anybody. So even before you are even started, like even before the professional league, during the professional league, we've shared a lot of time together. He of course was a player, but Naveen, he's got that nice block, but Kesavan Raja has got a nice turn. पहले right cover, उसके बाद right corner. What a nice escape. Their shoulders are drooping down. Navneet, that is not good. And they are blaming each other. I think they should leave that one. They should definitely leave blaming each other. This is the biggest lead by any team in the first half. And they are continuing to have that lead. Ankit Rana. Now, let me talk about the आगे का रास्ता for the Sonipat Spartans. मैंने ये ख्याल भी नहीं लेकर उतरा था कि मैं ये बताऊंगा. फिर से वो लो चेन टैकल, फिर से वो ब्लॉक, फिर से that combination.
1 point.
And this time it is Shekhar Sankar.
सेमीफाइनल फाइनल में आपके जो पहले 3 विकेट है ना, वो गिर जाते हैं, और जब वो गिर जाते हैं तो चौथे, पांचवें, छठे, सातवें को बैटिंग ही नहीं मिला होता है, और बहुत देर से वो मैच प्रैक्टिस उनका कम रहता है, और फाइनल में अक्सर टीम हार जाती है. तो शायद चौथे, पांचवें, छठे, सातवें, आठवें, नौवें, 10वें को मौका दिया जा रहा है.
बात करेंगे उसके बारे में. Do or die raid. A super tackle situation. He's my trip. He's my trip. Super tackle.
Let it out.
Brilliant.
Super tackle.
From
2
Priyank
points.
Singh.
Sonipat Spartans.
Yeah, that's okay. Aman Later will come back in. But if you look at the bench, not the people who have got tackled out, I think our
Do or die.
cameraman needs to just focus on the other bench.
बस बात ऐसी है कि नवीन, आज आप 25 के हैं, जब आप भी 35 के होंगे
Let us
जो
say
मैं
1 point.
नहीं हो
Sonipat
सकता.
Spartans. Number 4 out.
Yeah, that was a nice escape there. Ankit Rana, he knew that the ankle hold will come in from Shekhar Sankar.
Sonipat Spartans.
Ankit Rana's solo dash. Abhi Kumar was sent in. All out inflicted.
1+2 3 points.
That's a fall out.
Sonipat
First all out.
Spartans. All out. Panli Duskers.
Well, let's look at the dash once. And the numbers, Navneet, it will flash up on our screen, which will tell the story that Sonipat Spartans are coming back. And they sure are coming back.
Let us say
Chain broken.
2 points.
First time.
Sonipat Spartans. Number 19.
Chain
7
getting
out.
broken. And Ankit Rana, and the match is ours. That's what Ileverson said. And on the other side, Navneet, is that it? Is that it? Is that it? Is this the super tackle that they were waiting for? Yes, it is!
Let it out.
Is my trip super
Super
tackle.
tackle.
Ankit Rana,
2 points. Panli
my
Duskers.
very, very good friend, has been succumbed into that greed of getting the all out. What was the necessary? He could have inflicted the what I read, Navneet.
Wait.
He could have just inflicted. It was Gautam Murugan, the two best defenders of the Tuskers. It was Saktivel Tangavelu and Gautam Murugan. India one star moment of the match. मुझे तो मैं ये बोल रहा था अंकित राणा को do or die raid को मतलब है.
Do or die.
और उसके बाद गुस्सा निकाल रहे हो यार. This is not done. वो ठीक नहीं था. Whatever it is. Do or die raid. And now, can this be it? Can this be another one? Can this be another? Is my trip super tackle? That's it. It is once again Saktivel Tangavelu and Gautam
Super
Murugan.
tackle. 2 points.
Second one
Panli
in a row.
Duskers.
Second one and the India 1 ATM star moment of the match.
ये इज माई ट्रिप सुपर टैकल आपदा को अवसर में बदल दिया. 2 खिलाड़ी मौजूद, ऐसा लग रहा था कि यहां पर ऑल आउट हो सकती है टीम, लेकिन 2 बार नवीन ऐसा हो गया है कि हो सकते तो ऑल आउट इंडिया 1 एटीएम स्टार मोमेंट ऑल आउट हो सकते थे, लेकिन ऑल आउट के मौके पर
I think it's more than 15 minutes. Let's get the official confirmation. Is that the third one? Yes, it is. Gautam Murugan on the perfect ankle hold and the celebrations.
Super tackle.
3 super tackles in a row for the rampaging Tuskers. This is what they do always. Previous match it was 4. This time it is 3. Where is Ankit Rana? He's not been revived. And until the time that he comes out, Sonipat Spartans are not got this under their kitty.
थोड़ी
Why do they do this? They're actually very friendly people. I know them so very well. And 2 points. The moment Ankit Rana is back,
2 points.
he's turned
Sonipat
on
Spartans. Number 17.
the right
7
way
out.
to escape. And I will respect Ankit Rana because he does not have a foul play. Naveen Sharma, you can have my बार बार आकर कह रहे हैं शांति रख, शांति रख, शांति रख. In the last 3 timeouts,
1+2 3 points. Sonipat Spartans.
every
All
time
out. Panli Duskers.
we've seen that Ravindra Nara has only said Yuva Yodhas versus Jaipur Pink Cups. Ankle hold. That's it. See, that's a good tackle. Naveen Sharma,
Let it out.
अभी
1 point.
सल्यूट करता हूं
Sonipat
आपके टैकल के
Spartans.
लिए. Now that is a very very good tackle. पिछली बार अभी इज्जत मिलेगा नवीन शर्मा आपको. अभी नवीन शौरी से आपको नवीन शर्मा इज्जत मिल रही है. ये करो ना.
1 point.
Wonderful.
Sonipat Spartans.
On that note, Navneet,
Number 7 out.
the Tuskers, after 5 winless matches, have won a mega contest, and the revenge is not being taken on because
1
Sonipat
point
Spartans have lost this. Even if it's a 1 each,
Number 5 out.
they are
Out
not
of one.
going on top of the points table. They'll be really disappointed. It's Yuva Yodhas versus the Jaipur Pink Cups for the best of the
Jaipur.
3 in the finals. What a victory for the rampaging Tuskers.
का स्कोर है 18-18 8 पॉइंट्स में बिल्कुल बराबरी का मामला